One more suggestion for all the DIY homeowners out there. Excuse my language, but I would not fuck with this thermostat, wiring, or anything related to the HVAC system unless it is a nice day outside. One year I was doing some painting around the thermostat and I accidentally shorted out the hot wire behind it. It blew a fuse on the HVAC board. Of course, I didn't know why that was until I did some Googling of the problem. By the time I found out what the problem was, I rushed over to Advanced Auto Parts 5 minutes before they closed at night. This was the coldest night of the winter, maybe 20 degrees or less. The second scenario happened more recently when I was changing my whole house humidifier filter. I decided to clean the P-trap below at the same time, but I was not aware there was an overflow switch that I tripped. Again, I decided to do this on the coldest night of the year, and I thought I screwed myself over again. If you learned something new in this video today, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to share any experiences you have down below in the comments, and I will see you all next time.